Guys, deal of the day, as new can be. 2016 Volkswagen Jetta SE in Moonrock Silver, tan leather interior, all brand new tires, serviced out all the way around, sunroof, heated seats, backup camera. This is the SE Sport Package, alloyed wheels. It's got the big 8-inch high definition screen. Hit the unlock button here. Look on the inside. It is Carfax certified with the service records. Oh yeah, and only 70,000 miles. You heard it correctly, 70,000 miles. I told you, it doesn't get any better than this, and we have it. Trading Post Super Center. We do all of our financing right here. Check out my new website to apply. You've got to check it out, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll get it done for you. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, and an unbelievable 70,000 mile leather sunroof, heated seats, new tires, Carfax certified, loaded up. 828-464-0600. Again, tradingpostcars.com is the website. You're not going to believe how clean this 16 Jetta is. Moonrock Silver, tan leather, 828-464-0600, or apply online, tradingpostcars.com. Get it before it's gone.